Note: the following video depicts a specific configuration of the tablet. The same removal and replacement procedures apply to all configurations of the tablet. Before you begin, remove the display cover. Removal. Important. Make careful note of which battery cable is soldered to each contact point on the system board. Unsolder the battery cables from the contact points on the system board. Warning: to avoid personal injury and damage to the product, use extreme care not to puncture, twist, or crack the battery. An internal puncture or rupture to the battery has the potential to cause a short, which may result in a thermal event. Disconnect the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable from its connector on the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the connector and ribbon cable. Important: take care not to touch the camera lens. Carefully remove the rear-facing webcam from the cradle on the display panel assembly. Place the rear-facing webcam in a static dissipative bag. Replacement. Remove the rear-facing webcam from the static dissipative bag. Place the rear-facing webcam into the cradle on the display panel assembly. Important: take care not to touch the camera lens. Connect the rear-facing webcam ribbon cable onto its connector on the system board. Caution: use care to prevent damaging the connector and ribbon cable. Remove any remaining solder from the battery contact points on the system board and clean the contact points with an alcohol swab. Solder the battery cables onto the contact points on the system board. Important: inspect the solder joints to ensure that they have a good connection and that there is no possibility of electrical shorting.